Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to do a demo on how to crochet this headband, but mostly I'm showing how to do this stitch pattern, which you can use for lots of different things. You could make pillows, hot pot pads, hats, bags and purses, chair pads, or lots of other things where you might want a different and easy stitch pattern. So let's get started. For this easy pattern, I'm working with Caron Chunky Cakes and a 9mm crochet hook, or you could work with 2 strands of worsted weight yarn. Start with a slip knot, chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chain 8. Single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, 1, 2. Triple crochet in the next stitch. To make a triple crochet, yarn around the hook 2 times. Insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Pick up the yarn, pull it through the final 2 loops. And that's going to form a bobble. Single crochet in the next stitch. See how that makes this triple crochet pop up into a bobble? In the next stitch, make a triple crochet. Yarn around the hook 2 times. Insert into the stitch. Pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. Single crochet in the next stitch. Triple crochet in the next. Single crochet in the last stitch. And there you have your first row of bobbles. The next row, chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. And in each stitch all the way across the row. Like that, single crochet across the row. You'll have 7 single crochets across the row, and all through this pattern you will maintain 7 stitches across the row. For the next row, chain 1 and turn. Again, single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. Triple crochet in the next stitch, and you're going to repeat that across the row. Single crochet in the next stitch, triple crochet in the next, single crochet, triple crochet, and single crochet in the last stitch. Like that, you'll have 7 stitches across the row, and you just keep repeating that. Chain 1 and turn, single crochet all the way across the row, and then the following row will be the row with triple crochet. Like that, 7 single crochet across the row. Chain 1 and turn, single crochet, triple crochet, single crochet. Like that. All the way across the row. If you're making a headband, when you're finished, fasten off, then connect this end to the other end, either by sewing or slip stitching to join. And that's how easy it is to crochet this bobble stitch that uses triple crochets instead of yarn overs to make a bobble. To make the puff stitch flower, I'm working with a worsted weight yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Chain 5. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. Chain 1. And I'm carrying the yarn end along the outside of my ring. Make 6 single crochet in the ring. Slip stitch to join in the first single crochet. Now you can pull that yarn end and close up the center of the flower. Now I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to make a puff stitch in that same stitch. Yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pull up a long loop. Do that 5 times. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You'll have 11 loops on the hook. Pick up the yarn, pull it through all the loops on the hook. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch in that same stitch. And that's your first petal. You're going to do that in each one of these single crochets. So here's the next stitch, slip stitch into the stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, make a puff stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 11 loops on the hook. Pick up the yarn, pull it through all the loops on the hook. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Go right back down into the base, the same stitch, and slip stitch. Like that. And you're going to repeat in each one of these single crochets. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've worked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can fasten off. Tie the 2 yarn ends together on the back, like that. And then you can sew a button in the center and attach that to the headband.